Today we will discuss examples on Cauchy integral formula. First, see the working procedure, means how to solve the examples. What is the procedure here? First point, we need to evaluate integrals of the form integration over c f of z divided by z minus a dz, or integration over c f of z divided by z minus a raised to n plus 1 into dz over a given closed curve C. Next point, firstly we have to find out whether the point z is equal to a lies inside or outside the given curve C. Means first we have to see whether the given point z is equal to a, the given the value of points, we have to find that point lies outside the given curve or inside the given curve. Third one is, if z is equal to a is inside C, means inside the curve C, then we use a Cauchy integral formula in the form integration over c f of z divided by z minus a dz is equal to 2 pi I f of a. Then and integration over c f of z divided by z minus a raised to n plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi I by n factorial into f raised to n of a. Next one is, if the point z is equal to a is outside the curve C, and suppose that f of z is equal to f of z divided by z minus a, or f of z divided by z minus a raised to n plus 1 is analytic inside and on the given curve C, we can conclude that integration over c f of z dz is equal to 0 by Cauchy theorem. You have to remember these 2 points. These are very important while we solving the examples, and these are important to conclude the desired result for the given problems. Next point is, in other words, if f z is equal to a is outside C, the value of z, means the value of the integral is 0. This is the key point. If z is the given point is outside the curve, then we have to consider or conclude that the given integral is equal to 0. First example, evaluate integration over c e raised to z divided by z plus I pi into dz over each of the following curves C. Here 3 curves are given. Following contours C. First one, mod z is equal to 2 pi, mod z is equal to pi by 2, and so last one is mod z minus 1 is equal to 1. According to our procedure, first we have to see whether the given point, means it is equal to a points, or lies inside or outside the given curve. First go through the steps and see the example. We have to evaluate the integral, which can be written in the form e raised to z divided by z minus of minus I pi dz, which is of the form integration over c f of z divided by z minus a dz. Means, see, first procedure, we need to evaluate the integral of the form integration over c f of z divided by z minus a into dz. Here we have to evaluate integral of this form, but here it is z plus I pi. To convert this to z minus a form, it will be z minus of minus I pi. This can be written like this, of the form integration over c f of z divided by z minus a into dz. Here f of z is equal to e raised to z. Here, according to the standard integral, f of z means here e raised to z, and a value is minus I pi. Is here z minus a. Here a value is minus I pi. Then this is the figure here. This is the figure for the first point, mod z is equal to 2 pi. Let us go to the solution. First one, mod z is equal to 2 pi is a circle with center at origin and radius is 2 pi. The point z is equal to a is equal to minus I pi is the point p of 0 comma minus pi lies within this circle. Mod z is equal to 2 pi. See here, this is the circle, this is the point 2 pi comma 0, and this is minus 2 pi comma 0, 0 comma 2 pi, and this is 0 comma minus 2 pi. Our point is 0 comma minus pi. Here it is 2 pi means it is lies inside the given circle. If it is given inside the given circle means we have Cauchy integral formula, that is integration over c f of z divided by z minus a is equal into dz is equal to 2 pi I f into f of a. Why? See here the third point, if z is equal to a is inside c, then we have used the Cauchy integral formula, this one. Therefore we are using the formula. We have f of z is equal to e raised to z and a is equal to minus I pi. Therefore integration over c f for e raised to z divided by z plus I pi dz is equal to 2 pi I f of minus I pi, because a value is minus I pi, therefore it will be minus I pi, which is equal to 2 pi I e raised to I pi. We know that e raised to theta is cos theta plus I sin theta, therefore it is 2 pi I cos pi minus I sin pi. It will be cos pi is 1, sin pi is cos pi is 0, sin pi is see here cos pi value is minus 1 and sin pi it will be 0, it will be minus 1. Therefore the value of this integral is minus 2 pi I, where c is a circle. Mod z is equal to 2 pi. Next go for the second one. Mod z is equal to pi by 2 is a circle with a center at origin and radius pi by 2. The point p of 0 comma minus pi lies outside the circle. Mod z is equal to pi by 2 and e raised to z by z plus ip is a analytic inside and on the circle. Mod z is equal to pi by 2. This is the circle for the given condition. Mod z is equal to pi by 2. Here it is pi 0 comma pi by 2, it is 0 comma minus pi by 2. Our point is 0 comma pi, 0 comma minus pi, it lies somewhere here. It is 0 comma minus pi by 2 and this is the point for 0 comma minus pi. Therefore the point 0 comma minus pi lies outside this given curve. Therefore it lies outside the given curve. We are using by Cauchy theorem integration over c e raised to z divided by z plus I pi dz is equal to 0. From the last point, see here, in the other word, if z is equal to a is outside the curve, the value of the integral is 0. Therefore for the second condition, the given integral is equal to 0 when the curve is mod z is equal to pi by 2. This is for the last one. Mod z minus 1 is equal to 1 is a circle with center at z is equal to a is equal to 1 and radius is equal to 1. That is a circle with the center 1 comma 0. Here it is z minus 1, therefore a value is 1 and radius is 1. Therefore the circle with center is 1 comma 0. This is the circle for the given curve and pi is the point 0 p of 0 comma minus pi lies outside. Here it is 0 1 comma 0. Our point is p of 0 comma minus pi, which lies outside this circle, which means that the value of the given integral is 0 from the Cauchy theorem. Hence by Cauchy theorem integration over c e raised to z divided by z plus I pi dz is equal to 0, where c is a mod z minus 1 is equal to 1. This is the second example, same as the first one. You people just go through it and understand. If you have any doubt, just message me to my personal number, not to group. Okay.